Hi kids. Kids, in this video we will trace A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. Let's start. Colors name sky blue, orange, black, blue, pink, red, violet, green, brown and yellow color. Violet color. Kids, we are tracing letter A. A. Red color. Kids, this is letter B. B. Orange color. Kids, we are tracing letter C. C. Yellow color. 1. This is number 1. Pink color. 2. This is number 2. Green color. 3. This is number 3. Kids, read again. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. A. A is for apple. B. B is for ball. C. C is for cat. 1. O-N-E 1. 2. E-W-O 2. 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. Thanks for watching. Kids, if you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.